Simple ways on how to be successful in a stock market. From pros to novices, knowing how to invest correctly can help you make money in stocks. This video contains information that may benefit you. Keep watching to discover how to earn as much money from investing in the stock market as possible. Before you spend money on an investment broker, you need to do exhaustive research to ensure they're trustworthy and reliable. Avoid investment fraud by performing a thorough background check on any investment broker you are considering. Do not look at investing in the stock market as a hobby. It is something that has a lot of risk involved and it should be taken very seriously. If you do not have enough time, effort and patience to take it seriously, then you should not get yourself involved with it. Not all brokers have the same fees, so be sure you know what they are before investing. You need to find out about exit fees, as well as entry fees. You'd be surprised how quickly these fees can add up. Beginner stock investors would be wise to make themselves prepared to lose a bit of money on some of their trades. Oftentimes, new traders panic at the first dollar they lose and quickly sell off their stocks before giving them a chance to recover on their own. Consider getting some good software that specializes in investment management. It really does not cost that much and it will help save you a ton of time trying to learn how to properly do things. Look into getting one that can help you with profits and losses and one for tracking prices. Doing your research and really studying a stock can be a huge help in making profitable investments. Instead of acting on rumors and innuendo, keep yourself informed and up to date. If you want your investments to be profitable, always keep these tips in mind. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthélemy MC.